You are going to love the 2021 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, remote start, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.